China!
So we're walking towards the travel bus. Hall. Oh, bundok! I'm scared to use my phone. Yun yung slide. Mag-slide kami din mamaya. Ayan na pa. Kasama na ako sa video. We're here na. Ayan na yung grade 1.
A few inches later.
Hi! Great wall!
It is indeed great.
Here we come! Finally!
Ah! Great wall? Mapa! Nasa TV na ako.
Are we safe? What if I jump too high?
As you can see, I'm speechless.
See?
Okay.
Meron pa ako pahaba. Really nice.
You have tons of pictures here already.
Careful.
Yeah. We're on the second floor of the tower. Like that. That tower. We're taking pictures here. I'm so tired. It's hot, but I enjoy it. It's so good here. Can you believe it? I'm actually here. And that's Kuya Larry. And there's Ma'am Rica. It is us who continue to walk and hike towards greater heights. Look at the mountains. I've danced. It's one of a lifetime moment.
Nice.
Okay. Can you believe it? I'm actually here in Great Wall of China. Because it's breathtaking.
One eternity later.
It's almost time to go back. And it's so tiring. Layla. So this is our last stop. We can go upstairs and then our tour guide just came for us. It's embarrassing, but we had fun. This is so beautiful. We're going down. Bye. I don't know how much story I got left, but everything is worth it.
Yeah, we're going back. And
Wow! 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 I don't know why I still have a lot of energy.
Later.
We're going back. Ah! Yeah, we're going back. Kuya Larry, say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to China.
Welcome to NAS Daily.
You look like Nasdo.
Hi.
You look like him.
Here we are in the biggest Great Wall of China. Thank you for following this video, and this is NAS. Better. I already took a picture of here.
You just gotta go back. Great Wall of China. It's such a Feels great.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode.